Hi guys, welcome back. It is another cook and eat with me. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making fried fish, and we are using tilapia fish. So that is my tilapia fish. It is clean and I have washed it, and I have also gave it 2 cuts by the stomach of the fish, okay, just to let all the ingredients go in. That is how I cut it. So now we are going to add seasonings in the fish. So we're going to add garlic. I'm adding 2 scoops of garlic. I'm going to add 2 scoops of ginger as well. I'm going to add 1 scoop of hot chili powder. I'm going to add 2 scoops of paprika, 1 scoop of mixed seasonings, 1 scoop of salt, half scoop of Nigerian dry chili, 1 Maggi. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil just to mix everything together. Now I am going to mix everything together. So guys, I'm done rubbing the seasoning on the fish. I am going to set it aside for like 30 minutes. Let the seasoning go inside the fish properly before I start frying it. So guys, after 30 minutes, it is time to start frying our fish. So guys, after taking out our fish, it is time to make a little sauce for our fish. I'm gonna add 2 white onions in the pan, and also I'm using the oil. I'm using some of the oil that I use for the fish. After a few seconds of letting that simmer on its own, I'm going to add my chopped tomato. I'm just using the simple chopped tomato, okay? So I'm going to mix that up. Now I'm going to leave the heat at, let's say, number 6, and I'm going to just let it simmer gently for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after letting it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to add seasonings inside the pot. I'm going to add curry, mixed seasoning, oregano, ginger, garlic, half spoon of salt, half spoon of Nigerian dry chili, and 1 Maggi. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to give that 2 to 3 minutes, and this sauce is ready. So now I am going to take the sauce out from the stove. It is ready. So guys, we are back from making this yummy delicious fish. Like, look at it, it looks so good, and the sauce smells so good. So let's pray and dive in. Amen, guys. It is time to dive in and demolish like champions. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Like, this fish smells so good. It smells so nice. Like, look at the inside. Oh, delish. Delicious. Ooh, I can't wait to get it. Ooh. Yum. Can you see this fish and the sauce? Yum. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. So good. Mm. So good. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. Can you see the sauce? Ooh. Be careful of the bone now. This fish has a couple of bones here and there. Mm. Super good. Ooh. Oh my days, guys, this was super tasty. Like, the inside is so soft and so juicy, excuse me, while the outside is still a bit crunchy, and the seasoning is just, oh my days, is super tasty, super nice, super delicious. I totally enjoyed it. I finished two. I only left the head of the number two, but it was a delicious fish. You can have this meal with rice, yam, plantain. But today I just want fish. Forget about rice and plantain. Today is that day for fish. Anyway, guys, I totally enjoyed myself. We totally demolished like champions. This meal was super tasty. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, if you love cooking and eating delicious African Nigerian food, you're definitely in the right place. Subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you so much to my old subscribers. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.